Hey everyone, welcome back. I got a lot of great feedback on the last video where I tested the Heltner channel plus stochastic strategy on 1-minute trades. One of you asked me to try it on 5-second trades, and today I'm risking my own money to make that happen. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but it should be fun to watch, believe me. Stick around until the end for bonus codes and other interesting information. For now, let's go! Okay, I've allocated a budget for this session. Let's begin with the indicators. Previously, I was trading this strategy on the 1 minute, but now it's time for 5-second trades. I will try this. I will start with 500 per trade, as mentioned. And indicators, Scalping channel 10, 10 and 1, middle line removed, and Stochastic Oscillator, period 10, T3 using SMA. Just like on the 1 minute setup, we're looking for stochastic crossovers and candle touches or exist beyond the Keltner channel. Okay, first trade, minus, second and third wins. So far, so good. It's a bit similar to the Impulse Sniper strategy, but with the different indicators and slightly different logic. We're even accept candles that move outside the channel and bounce back. Okay, plus and another 500 also plus. That's a valid setup. Okay, here's the crossover. The candle a bit far from the border, but it's okay, we can try. Can try to open here for 5 seconds, it's okay. Oh yeah, boom, I'm green like $1 today. I'm feeling myself like a money printer. I'm printing money today. This is my goal for this session. This is my philosophy for this session. Let's see another crossover here. I will open for sell. Let's go for it. Hey, another plus. 22,630, 80 even. Well, that's good. We can go up to $700. So, okay, another entry, 1,400. Returns. Well, what's happened? Let's look for something cleaner. And here, clean crossover, but the candle too far from borders. So you see, we need 2 indicators confirmed. Like here, crossover plus, open for 700 here. Sell position. Great. Great win. Okay, guys. 22,630 now. Here we go. Crossover is forming and the candle just tapped the channel. Okay, 2,100 now. Well, minus, oh, not good. 2,000, going big, top 4,000 even. Oof, it's dangerous. Another 4,000. Well, what is the impulse? Oh my god. Oh, it's so risky. Half the budget is gone. Countdown, 2,000. Okay. Just calm down, another 2,000. It's supposed to work. Yes, it's work. It's work. Let's bring the money. Let's bring the money. Oof. Yes, it's good. 70,000. We're going back. What a moment, what a moment. Guys, I hope you like me. I'm not really like it because it's so risky. Let's pick the pair. It happens. It's just trading. Okay, this is a good spot. Let me trade here. 2,000. Yes. We already 9,000. We just dropped 50% and came back, guys. Can you imagine? Let me just go back for 1,000. Just a small step back to make 2 steps forward. Well, that's good. 20,000 balance. Another 1,000 here. Okay, we came home. 21,000. We're back. That's good. Even just breaking Even after a session like this, feeling great, even just to break it. Let's stay calm and disciplined. Closing some pairs, and let's now waiting for clean setup. Okay, this is the great spot. Sell position for 1000. Okay, it's a discipline. Martingale, 2000. Maximum 3 steps martingale now. No more. We already risked too much. And we just came back. We're back in the game. Another 1000. 5 seconds. It's always risky strategy. It's always like this, like roller coaster. But we going disciplined. We trade. Let's pick another pair. Well, guys, we're back in profit, you see? After all this drama, we're back in profit. Okay. 2000. Whoa, profit. That's great. That's great. It's a good feeling now. Someone messaged me in Telegram. 1000. Yes, that's plus. Another plus. Another 1000. 26 now. After all this drama, we in profit. Wow. 1000. It's okay. Martingale, 2000. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Such a good feeling. Came back. Now I'm very careful. That's why I came back to 1000. Okay, another impulse. Another crossover. And it's another plus. Another one. That's clear. That's clear. I really want to break this $30,000. I really want to break it. Let's try. Let's make this like a goal for this session, guys. After this amazing comeback, we need to break this goal for 2000. And boom. Wow, that was great. It was amazing. I still can't remember how I came back. Wow, what a session. So much drama. I'm not sure we truly cracked this strategy yet. It still feels like a hybrid between this combo and Apple Sniper. Honestly, I'll keep practicing and testing settings. It's an interesting one. Biggest lesson. Don't tilt when half your account is down. Stay calm, limit martingale to 3 steps max. On 5-second trades, things can get out of hands quickly. Maybe mixing 1 minute and 5 seconds will be smarter. And most importantly, trust your instincts but respect your limits. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Hope you will share this with your friends if you like it. Claim your 50% bonus with promo code Dawit on your first deposit. Want 60%? DM me on Telegram. I'll send you the private code. Subscribe to my public Telegram. Great content and community there. And if you're ready, join the private VIP channel for daily sessions, signals and breakdowns. Just DM me. I will make this journey for you. It's the best way to level up your trading, believe me. Like this video, share it and comment below. It's important for me and for YouTube. I'm just happy I didn't blow the account today and even ended in the profit. Stay sharp, stay smart and respect your limits and your budget. Peace.